Okay, continue. Number 14. One who descends to the Torah in one synagogue and then happen to be in a different synagogue, and they call up upon him as well, even if it's for the same portion for which he already ascended, he may ascend again and recite the blessing. Maged Avraham. I mean, there is no problem. It's not like he's doing something forbidden, right? Kohen get to Aliyah, right? So this person, he came to early Minyan, then he came, stayed for, meet other people for a different Minyan, from like later Minyan, and he got called for the Torah reading 2 times. This is very practical, I think.
In the same shul, wasn't I allowed to do that?
Yes, yeah. So, for example, in the shul where I go now, there are 2 Minyanim. One is early Minyan, 7:15, and later is 8:45. You understand? So these people, for whatever it is, when there is a kiddush, big kiddush in a shul, right? So people from the first Minyan, they would finish down and they can come and join us. You understand? So if this Rabbi did not know that this person already prayed in the early Minyan, he can call him. There is, very possible. And this person could have gotten Aliyah in the first Minyan. You understand? Maybe it happens, maybe not. But it's very practical.
But within the same Minyan, he's not allowed to?
In the same Minyan, no. And unless he's a coin in this situation.
Okay.
Actually, no. Let me take that. If in the same Minyan, if he's not allowed to, but why wouldn't they call somebody else? Tell me why.
He's such a chashuv guest. They love him so much. He reads.
No. Not for this reason. I think I just guess. I just speculating. Right? Maybe if other people can be counted for a Minyan, but they cannot be called to the Sefer Torah for whatever reason. Okay, so let's leave it at that.